Researchers from Finland have discovered adding natural elements to playgrounds could benefit children's immune systems and microbiomes. Dr Tamara Hunter joins me now. Tamara, welcome. Firstly, talk us through what is a microbiome and why is it so important?
Yeah, hi Jerry. So we now understand that we probably have more microorganisms on and in ourselves than we actually have cells. And these communities of microorganisms are known as microbiomes. So we have them in our gut, we have them on our skin. And a lot of research has shown that gut microbiome can be associated with vitamin production, immune system support, and also metabolism. Now, this study was really interesting. They looked at 75 children over 10 daycares. 6 of those daycares were the controls, and half of them were already nature play. The other half were urban daycares. And then the 4 intervention daycares, they actually brought in a green makeover. So they had plants, they had dirt, they had forest floor, and they allowed those children to play. Then they did a skin swab and they also took their blood, and they found that by getting into the dirt, they had a greater diversity in their microbiome, more like those of the nature environments.
So does that mean that kids who play in the dirt are just healthier?
Well, what that's all about is the diversity, the microbiome diversity theory, that if we interact with nature, we have more diverse microorganisms in our system, which then leads to a better immune system and prevention of diseases like allergies and immune disease. But to make that jump to prevention of disease is a big one, and you require years of follow-up, so 10, 20, 30 years of follow-up, and much bigger studies to really prove that. However, what a lot of the research does show is that nature play is great for kids' learning, their creativity, helps to keep their BMI low, which is important for overall health and well-being, and even helps prevent visual problems from staring at the screen all day.
Right, so what else can we do then to help boost our kids' immunity?
Look, that whole boosting the immune system is really enticing, but it's actually really hard to do. And the reason is it's an immune system. It's not a single entity. So the best way to really do it is look after our overall health and well-being, making sure our kids are getting plenty of fruits and vegetables, all those antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, getting plenty of sleep, being physically active, so cardiovascularly fit, and also watching their weight. And the other great thing is building their resilience, managing their stress. All of these things are going to improve their overall health and well-being and ultimately improve their immune function.
Are there any foods that we can give kids that might be able to improve their immunity, or is that kind of
I would love, Jerry, to say that there is a food, but the reality is let's just get those fruits and veggies into our kids. And if they do have known vitamin deficiencies, probably supplementing, but broccoli. It's all about the broccoli.
Broccoli?
Get all the kale in, get the wide variety of colours from the fruits and veggies.
Broccoli and berries?
Yep, sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me too. All right, thank you so much, Dr Tamara. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, Jerry.